Hello folks, today we're doing an inspection on a flat roof, actually a big commercial building here that we're working on here, but I wanted to share with you these skylights, and this is a big bank of skylights, and we can look better inside when we get into the building, but you can see that we got some issues leaking, and this is what I want you to be looking for, the curb, and see how this is. It's literally turned around and deteriorated because it's not been properly sealed, and look at that. And you know, you got literally right down in there, you can see right in there where the crack is, where I got water reaching in there and getting in here. And this is what you're looking for when you're doing this type of inspections, especially when you're buying a building, because now when I get inside of it, I'll look deeper in this part of it to see what kind of damages that we've had. And that way, because that way we can drill in deeper. But this is a problem, and this is a simple, easy one to fix, but they didn't do it. I don't know why. I guess out of sight, out of mind. You should actually think about getting some pre-construction inspections, or after you build a home or your building, you know, have somebody just kind of look and see how it's looking, making sure it's looking fine. Anyway, folks, hey, I thank you for watching our videos. Hit like, subscribe, share with your friends. I really appreciate it if you do subscribe to our channel, because it helps us get a little bit higher up in the ratings, and YouTube will help promote it. More people will learn, and the better educated the people are, the better deals, the better pricing, better win-win for everyone. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. I appreciate you. God bless.